Hi guys, I had another question related to wheatgrass. Someone wanted to know, how much wheatgrass juice powder do I have to consume to equal 7 to 10 cups of salad? Okay. Well, the first thing I want to let you know is it's very difficult to compare that because we're dealing with a product that has fiber, salad, and another product that has no fiber. This is a juice powder. A lot of times when you get wheatgrass, it's just like the fiber. This is the juice powder, so it's super concentrated. Okay? So basically, 5 grams of this equals 4 ounces of a salad. But let me just kind of make it more real to you. Okay? So here's the lemon wheatgrass juice powder. So I'm going to take a little scooper right here. This is 2.5 grams. Okay? So basically, if we wanted to have something equivalent to 7 cups, but of course without the fiber, 7 cups of salad, which is 7 ounces, okay? That would be 3.5 of these, okay? If we wanted to hit 10 cups or 10 ounces, we would need 5 scoops of wheatgrass juice powder. All right, you got the equivalent? Okay, so this right here, this is a huge thing of salad, right? I don't think I could eat this whole thing in one sitting, but probably in a couple salads I could do that. But I don't usually consume this much. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I'll do like half of this. But this is 16 ounces. Okay, 16 ounces would basically be 20 grams, which is 8 scoops of this equals this. Okay, so that would give you the equivalency. Okay, so I hope that answered the question. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press this little button down below, okay? Thanks.